Okay, we are going to share a few facts about Tetris Tower. First, how many colors?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 colors. Yellow, red, green, blue.
And 4 of each color. So this. Actually, no.
Each
8
color
of
has
each
4
color.
pieces.
No, 8. Each
What?
color has 8 pieces.
Oh, yeah. Each color has 8 pieces because this is different than this. Each color has 2 different types
Of blocks.
of blocks.
But all of them have at least.
Yeah, every
4
type
cubes.
of blocks has 4 pieces. Like for example, this is one type. There are 4 of this, and 4 of this one. Likewise. What else?
Likewise, this sounds like a weird word.
In every cube, there are 4 little cubes. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. See?
1, 2, 3, 4.
They all have
1, 2, 3, 4.
One in. And these two looks like same type, but actually they are not. Okay.
They're mirror of each other.
Yeah, they are symmetrical. So they are not the same piece, but they are symmetrical. And this is kind of like 2-dimensional, but these are like 3-dimensional. Do you see?
Yes.
So how many of them 2-dimensional? 1,
4.
2, 3, and 4.
And 5.
5. Oh, yeah. This one.
Oh.
5 of them are 2-dimensional, and 3 of them are 3-dimensional.
That means
right?
there are 1, 2, 3, 4.
So, for example, look, this is 3-dimensional, 3-dimensional, and 3-dimensional. What else do we know?
Some of them can make a perfect cube.
Yeah, not yeah,
Like this.
right. Okay, like 4 of them makes perfect cubes when you connect any, like 2 of those pieces. Like this is 1, this is 2, and this one is 3. See, and this piece, if you put 2 of them, again you got a perfect cube. It means the other 4 not forming a perfect cube when you try to join
This can make a
2 of
rectangle.
same type. Like if you try these 2, you will not get a perfect cube.
However, this can make a rectangle.
Likewise for these 2, I mean these 2, yeah. If you try to put 2 of them together, it won't make a perfect cube. Which one makes rectangle? Oh, okay.
Oh no, wait a second.
Using these 2, you can make a cuboid, like perfect rectangle. But not same for this one. Using these 2, there are 2. You cannot make a square or a rectangle, but you can make this shape. And any other, like L shape. Using L shape, you can do this shape. You can make this shape, 2 of them. But still, we cannot make a rectangle or a square shape. So we can make some other shapes. Yeah. These are the main facts. How many pieces in
Sorry,
total?
everybody. My bird's
8, 4.
reading.
There are 32
Tricks
pieces altogether. And this is quite unstable. So
What do you mean unstable? It's balancing perfectly.
right now, when you put a few pieces, it can easily be ruined.
No, it can't. Look.
That's why it's challenging.
Look. Wait. It needs to be. It needs
It
to
was
be
a
on,
good proof for me.
No, it needs to be on the pedestal.
Yeah, it's not that stable.
Look.
And this, the bottom piece, also not that stable. But I discovered you can play with this way, in this way. So in
Yeah,
this way,
but that's the
it's kind
cheating
of
way.
more stable,
Just the cheating way, though.
but it's not shaking. That's the disadvantage. But I think this is more stable. Like in this way, I complete it once.
I'm sorry, my birds are being a little bit naughty.
And while playing, you don't have to follow the rule given in the instruction paper. You can decide your own rules. Like for example, you can choose 2 colors, 2 colors, 2 colors, or you can go 1 by 1 any color, or what else?
You can make a prize for whoever wins, like this cupcake.
Yeah, you can. You can decide number of rounds, like round 1, round 2, round 3, and you can include more than 2 people.
And
like you might say that
you can do it by colors, teams of
yeah,
colors.
maybe you can say that first we together will finish green first, then red, then blue. So you can put the colors in order. And
or you can do it by shape. You can say, okay, let's do this shape first, then let's do this shape.
What do you mean this shape? Oh, what?
Like start with this shape and then do that shape and then do this shape.
Oh, right. Like if you choose the color means two different shapes. Like actually, if you go by color, you have more options because these two have same color, and these two have same color. But if you decide with the shape itself, so you have less options. Yeah, you have less options. And even maybe you can do like this. Like the first person puts 2 pieces, the second person puts 2 pieces. Like you can place 2 by 2. It might be more challenging. Or let's say.
Or you can do like.
Step 1, everyone puts 1 piece. Step 2, everyone puts 2 pieces. Step 3, 3 pieces. But it might be a little.
Or
unfair.
you can do it like. You made me forget.
Yeah. If your memory is weak, what's my fault? Okay, so like see, she used all the green pieces.
No,
so,
I started with all these pieces.
Did you use all the green? Yeah, you used all the green. So now we can use all the red ones, or yeah, we can place like, let's try. Can we place like this?
Like what?
Oh, okay. Leave more space to me. Okay.
We need to put
And
these
now
ones.
these ones.
It's unbalanced.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I think it's perfectly balanced.
No, put it right here. Put the next one. You know how I did with this one? Do it like that.
Okay.
It's not balanced. Oh my gosh. Can you just listen to me? Oh, and this game breaks friendship apart.
Yeah. Yeah, like we will place the yellow ones.
Sorry, I'm so sorry.
But it's not ruining.
I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh.
Majority of the pieces are still there, so the whole system.
Wait, we need to put the red
apart.
because the red is like down.
Is there any more? Okay, now the yellows. Now we are placing all the yellow pieces.
It's unbalanced. Put it over here. It's unbalanced.
No, that side. My side is heavier.
No, this side is heavier.
No. It's
yes.
Not. No.
Yes.
No.
See? It's unbalanced.
Can you pull the little bit to the bottom? Okay, now it's balanced. Look, we finished all the yellows, reds, and green. The last color is blue.
If you put something over there, I could put this here.
Okay.
That's unbalanced. Take that off.
If you pull the bottom a little bit, so it will be still.
No, that's gonna make it worse.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
So we are trying to find different ways to balance it. So this is not a challenge. We are just trying to discover.
Oh my gosh. You're so bad at the game today. Usually he's not this bad, so I don't know what's going on with him today.
Are you praising me or?
It's going to fall.
She acts like she's praising, but she's not. Actually, she's criticizing. Oh, strange.
Are we actually gonna do this time?
Yeah, it's not that easy, you know. Yeah, you can give extra support. It's kind of cheating, but
no, I'm not.
It is the way to do it. Hold it.
No.
Okay, look.
I can't hold it.
Sometimes
That's
you may
cheating.
need to give little
That's-
support.
no,
okay,
that's
place
cheating.
that in the middle.
Let it go.
No, it's not.
Let it go. Let it go. Hold it back. Let it go. It
Wait,
will.
no.
It will balance.
It won't.
Yes, it will.
Okay, you do it. Yeah, we placed
We
all
actually did it?
32 pieces.
How do we? I didn't think we did it. Why was it so hard last time?
I don't know. We give extra supports. Like if you hold this,
I didn't give extra
if you
support.
rearrange
I
those,
didn't give extra support. I was just holding it like
the
this.
bottom pieces, there is more chance you can build it. But if you don't touch those two bottom pieces, the main parts, so it's
The
highly
slide-
possible that
The
it
slightest,
might fall down.
the slightest blow of air can break this apart. Okay, ready? Wait, hold your breath for a
Like this
second.
is
Hold your breath.
you can use this for teaching math and physics, balance, center
Engineering.
of gravity,
Engineering.
yeah, engineering,
Once.
like what else? And for fun.